Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa Robinsons Supermarket to get our credit card points. We are here in Robinsons. Mamili na tayo ng ating bibilhin. Ang card, then natin pili. Alam niyo, pag nasa grocery ako, ang tagal kong matapos kasi binabasa ko yung ingredients, gano'ng kadami yung sodium, yung salt, etc. etc. Ganon din ba kayo? At tuwang-tuwa nga ako dito sa Ajinomoto na to kasi they're using eco-friendly packaging. Wow! At ito na, pinakamahirap sa lahat, mamili ng cheese. Sobrang natatagalan talaga ako dito, lalo na sa cheese section. Kasi bumili ako ng cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and so on. At ito na nga ang laman ng ating cart, guys. At nakakita ako ng wine. Let's check it out. I wanna buy red wine, so let's find. Favorite ko talaga ang Novellino. Tamang-tama lang yung lasa niya. At alam nyo ba, Novellino is a Filipino-owned winery na nakabase sa Laguna, Philippines. So yeah, let's support local. Finally, magbabayad na tayo and let's proceed na to the checkout counter. At dahil more than 3,000 ang ating babayaran, i-credit card na lang natin yung remaining amount. So yun, binigay ko yung QR code para iscan ng cashier. And there you go, more than 3,000, less than 1,000 from ECG. Nagutom ako, so naghanap na ako nito ng kakainan. So yeah, ayoko na lumayo pa. Dito lang to sa area ng Robinson malapit sa Mary Grace. So medyo mahal yung kanilang menu, but sobrang gutom na ako, so I didn't have any choice but to order here. Very cozy naman yung lugar. By the way, meron pala silang 10% service charge dito. So, umorder ako ng mango shake, beef salpicao, at chowder soup. Soup. Yan, and there you go. Let's eat. Diba? Very cozy ng ambience. At sobrang happy talaga ako today. Today is Sunday. It's my rest day. So, it's my time for me to go out. At thank you, Lord, for this day. At after noon, meron akong some dollars from our trip. So, pinalitan ko dito lang sa my Robinsons. So, yes, naka 1,700 tayo. By the way, kulang ako ng bread. Nakalimutan ko. So, my partner loves bread. So, bibili na ako nito. And yes, always check the expiry date, guys. So, bumili ako ng wheat bread at isang regular white bread. And then, yes, kahit more than 100 pesos yan, naka-credit card. Sayang ang points. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And yes, comment kung may mga additional tanong kayo about credit card points. Thank you!